Anyone? Who? Barack Obama? 10 points. Barack Obama is the president. I have a question for you. Who is your favorite American celebrity? She said it's me, you guys. Give her a hand. Oh, thank you. Wow. The girls have a story for you. What's that I smell in the air? The American dream. Sweet as a sweet in Bel Air. The American dream. Girls can buy tits by the pair. The American dream. Bald men will think they'll grow hair. The American dream. Tall girls are lining Times Square. The American dream. Bums that have money to spare. The American dream. Cars that have bars take you there. The American dream. On cities night, better stare. The American dream. Slip top down the drain. Pop the champagne. Each time we all entertain my American dream. By the hotel, the American dream. Wall Street is ready to sell the American dream. Come make a life of thin air, the American dream. Come make it more.